This is the simple and best way to make your custard ice cream just perfect like this. First, we are going to need some custard. This is our main ingredient to do this, and this is how it looks like. And of course, this is infused with some vanilla essence. Okay, yes. So we will need a bowl, and then we'll take part of the custard powder into a bowl, adding some room temperature water, and we are going to give this a good mix until everything is well combined. Okay, just like this. Now that we are done with this, we are going to get some boiled water. Make sure the water is boiled. It shouldn't be hot, it should be boiled. That way you get the results like this. But if it's not boiled and it's hot, then it will come out like this. Okay, now I added some milk. Yes, add as much milk as you want, just so to be able to get to your taste. Okay, I added some condensed milk. This can be quite optional here. You can go in for any sweetener of your choice. Okay, but right here I'm using condensed milk, and I also added some sugar to it. Okay, just with this sugar adding and all of this, I think it should just be to your preference. Okay, if you also want to do it, then the measurements, just like this, the measurements are right in the description, and you have to read it to get everything you need to do this. Also, there's this vanilla flavor in the custard, yet I want it to be dominant. Okay, so I added some more vanilla extract. Okay, you can put this in your popsicle mold or a cup, but I prefer to tie it in this rubber to get this authentic ice cream style. Okay, just like this, and you tie it. I'll repeat this procedure until I'm done with everything. If today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for clicking on this video. Please do not forget to like, share your thoughts, and also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. We are going to freeze this, and you can freeze this as long as you can. And now let's enjoy this ice cream. How many of these can you eat? Let me hear that in the comment section. Let me see it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay